Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on automatic system applications updates in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn on our automatic system apps updates, we have to go to Settings, then in Security and Privacy menu, we are scrolling all the way down to Other Security Settings. In this menu, we have to scroll down once again, and here it is, Galaxy System App Updates. What does it do? Updates from Samsung will be automatically installed to improve security and performance or to add new features, etc. So if we want our system apps to be updated automatically, we need to check this box, and now our updates will be applied automatically. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.